Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Myself is Manjunath Bhandari. In the previous class, we were doing the exercise 1.2 of rational numbers. Okay, in that chapter we have completed till the fourth problem. So in today's class, I am going to continue the from where we have left off. So from the fifth problem, I am going to continue it. So fifth problem. Find five rational numbers between. There are three problems are in this one. Find five numbers. Find the five rational numbers. In this one, we have to find the rational numbers of five in between. So first one, 2/3 and 4/5. In this one, we have to take the rational numbers in between. So the line graph will be 0. So 2/3 is positive. So 2/3 and 4/5. In this one, five numbers we have to find it out. That's the question. Okay. So 2/3 means what? If we take the decimal of 4/5 means we will get as 0.8. This one is 0.66. In between these numbers, we have to find the five numbers. Okay. So now the numbers will be coming as in between this number. We can take it as 41/60. 41/60. If we divide this between the number will be coming in between 6 6 are 36. So it is more than 7. So it will become as 41/60. So first number, second number 42/60. Third number 43/60. Fourth number 44/60. Fifth number 45/60. There are five numbers. So in this bit we are writing the five numbers. In between we have to write five numbers of rational numbers. So we are writing this one. Okay. Please note it now. I go to the next one. Students, this is very easy. This is very easy topic. You can easily score out of marks. Okay. So second one, in this one, second problem, -3/2 and 5/3. So in between we have to write. The question comes this side. There is 0. -3/2 is -3/2 and 5/3. In between numbers we have to write five numbers. Okay. What will take it as? So -3 is. So I will take as first one -1/6. In between numbers it will be first number. Second positive is. So I will take it positive 1/6. Second one 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. This all the numbers will come in between -3/2 and in between and 5/3. In between these all numbers will be coming out for rational numbers of five numbers. Okay. Okay. Now note it down and go to the next problem. So next problem, third one, 1/4 and 1/2. In between we have to write this number. So the question arises in this way, means 0. 1/4. 1/4 in between 1/2. In between we have to write it. So 1/4 means you can write a -1.25, 0.5. In between we have to take the numbers. Okay. We have to take the numbers. Here dear students, you can take any number. You can take it as 26/100. We can take it as 28/100, 31/100, 41/100, 45/100. These all numbers will lie between 1/4 and 1/2. These all numbers will be lying down. So we can write in this way. Okay, ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ನೋಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೌನ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. So next one, sixth one. Write 5 rational numbers greater than -2. Write 5 rational numbers greater than -2 ಗಿನ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು 5 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 0 -2 -2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಎನಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೀವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 5 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ -1/10, 2/10, any numbers, 3/12, 7/18, 17/20. Any numbers, 5 numbers you can write on this side. Minus greater than -2 ಗೆ greater numbers ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So in this way we have to write it. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I will see it and I will reply it. This is very easy topic. This is very easy. If you have any doubts, please comment me. I will reply you. Okay. So next question, seventh one ಏನಂದ್ರೆ find 10 rational numbers between 3/5 and 3/4. Find 10 rational numbers between 3/5 and 3/4. Okay, so you rational numbers in between ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. so 3/5 and 3/4 are positive numbers. so ನಾನು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ಈ 3/5 and 3/4. in between ನಾವು 10 numbers ಬರೀಬೇಕು. in between we have to write 10 numbers. So ಈ ತರ ನಾವು 10 numbers ಬರಬೇಕು. So what will write the number 10 numbers ಬರಬೇಕು. So I will write it as 49/80, 49/80 first number. So in between 10, so continuity ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ. 49 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50/80, 51/80, 52/80, 53/80, 54/80, 55/80, 56/80, 57/80, 58/80. So 10 numbers. So in between ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So you can write any your own number also. There is nothing there. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಓನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ the concept you must understand the concept first very well. So here the concept in between 10 numbers, so you can write any number of numbers. You ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ this is very important. Okay, you can write any numbers. So students, here complete the exercise 1.2. Okay, I hope that you are understanding the class very well. Okay, from the next class I am going to take the chapter number 2. Till now I have completed the chapter 1, old problems, old concept and I have done all the problems of the chapter 1. So from the next class I am going to take the chapter number 2, linear equation in one variables. From the next class I am going to take a new chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. I am going to teach. Okay, I am hoping that I'm hopeful that you understood the whole topic very well. Exercise 1.2. Okay students, now if you like my video, if you like my teaching, please